Facebook, YouTube, we're at it again. Our sanding team is sanding these beautiful maple floors. We got a total of 1,800 square feet, custom steps. This was a referral from one of our clients, so thank you, Ms. Tabitha, for the referral. And guys, the TED team are doing a great job. Again, it's all about the prep. We're also going to do the stairs, but let's go check out the AO Hardwood team. We got attacking now. Down to the raw woods, as you guys can see. The homeowners are excited to get everything done and moved in. Doing some little edge work there. Yeah, guys, it's going good. Yes, sir. We got Senior on it. Say hi, everybody. Hi. All right, so the team's at it. We're excited, and you know the team loves what they do. Just see how we made it flat again, and then it's, gonna be able to accept that new polyurethane, guys. But that's want to show you real organic, real jobs, real clients, real results, guys. That's what we're doing, and we are excited for the opportunity for our client. First coat on. We actually got the team doing the steps now. And good little air right here. All right, guys, my team are at it again. We're now doing the hallways. You guys can see we are doing it to it. They already put this over here on, and then we're gonna come back tomorrow and do the steps, put the stain back on, and all is well. As you can see, we're doing it. This is a maple floor, and we're excited to get it done for the homeowner. All right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. As always, don't forget to share this video. Perfect. Facebook, YouTube, right here at AOCleaning. We are with our new clients that was a referral from Ms. Tabitha, and they're new homeowners here in O'Fallon, Illinois, to this beautiful home. And they are also military, so we support the Air Force and servicemen and women. So thank you guys for serving. And they want to speak to their overall experience with AOCleaning today and our AO sanding team and how thankful and grateful they are for the workmanship that we've done. And they want to speak to that, so here they are.
Hi, we're the Robertsons. We just appreciate everything that has been done. We have just bought this home and moved into the area, and the floors look beyond fabulous. And we appreciate the kindness, the honesty, the integrity, everything of Ryan and his team. We appreciate Ms. Tabitha's referral to us to be able to use them, and we just have been very impressed with everything they've done for our house.
Yeah, when we first looked at the house, I really wondered, do the floors need to be done? There were some scratches, there was some lack of clarity in the coating of the floor, and now I can see that it makes a big difference having the floors done. The difference is night and day, as you'll see in the course of the videos. It's worth every penny.
Sure. Awesome, guys. We appreciate that video. Thank you so much for your business and the opportunity to serve you. And guys, you heard it from them. If you need this service, please reach out. And thanks so much for watching. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.